Okay, so here we're being asked to match the following definitions to the appropriate terms, and there are 6 that we need to identify here. Starting off with the top one, the most common value in a data series. This describes the mode of the data series. Then we have the difference between the highest/largest value and the lowest/smallest value. Well, that's the range of the data set, and it takes a look at the spread of that data. Then we have describes the ratio of workers to pensioners. Well, this is a specific form of the dependency ratio, the old age dependency ratio. Moving on to the next 3 terms then, measures how much a bank is lending relative to its capital. That is the leverage ratio, and it's a good sign of whether the bank is being too reckless relative to the buffer they have available to cover losses they may make on loans. We have the sum of the series of the values divided by the number of values in total. Well, that is the mean, essentially the average value of a data set. And then finally we have the middle value of a series of number values. Well, that is going to be the median, and it's important to remember that you have to order the data set from smallest to largest before you go about finding that middle observation.